What's up everybody, welcome back to Free to Be. David here, and thank you for joining me for another video. In today's video I'm going to keep it relatively brief, but I want to show you guys a website where you can make a little bit of extra cash on the side if you have some free time. If you're good at multitasking, you can do this while you're hanging out watching TV or just sitting around. So this is going to be a website that's not going to make you a tremendous amount of money, but it will definitely make you some extra cash that you can spend on a hobby or little purchases here and there. Now before I get into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. We cover financial literacy on this channel, and I am basically documenting my journey to financial independence while trying to build a blueprint for others to use as well. And I also feature my creativity on here from time to time, as well as some lifestyle tips. So if you haven't done so already, take a moment and just hit the subscribe button there for me. It really means a lot to have your support. And for those of you who are returning, thank you again for joining me for this video. It does really mean a lot, like I said, to have everyone's support and following me through this journey. Alright, so without delaying any further, let's just jump into this service. So basically, this is something that's been around for a while, and it's called InboxDollars. And what InboxDollars is, and let me just hop over to this website real quick. InboxDollars is a website. It's a web-based tool platform that you can actually just sign up for free. And I'll definitely link the website link down below, and if you sign up you'll get a $5 bonus. So just click that link to sign up, and what you'll do is you'll do little tasks for little bits of money that add up. So it could be watching videos, you could take surveys, or you could just download apps on your phone. There's a bunch of different things that you could do to earn some extra cash. Now it's again pretty easy to use, and what happens here, and this is how it works right here. So the brands or paid InboxDollars for customer input. They recruit people like us, and then we do online activities and we get real cash. And again, you can read this yourself. I'm not going to take some time and read through all this, but if you click the link down below, it'll bring you to this website, and you can kind of go through it and take a look at some of the ways you can earn money. Now I've tried it a little bit before, and actually when I first signed up for InboxDollars, I think it was a couple years ago, I cashed out, I want to say around $60 over like a 3-month period. So again, it's not going to be any life-changing amount, but it's definitely going to be a little bit of extra cash for you to spend, a little fun money if you will. So here we go. Let me just jump into my account. Now I do want to say this, that after that initial few months, I stopped using InboxDollars for no other reason than just life got kind of in the way. And when I went to sign up again, apparently they deactivate your account if there's no account activity for 6 months. So let me hop into my account and show you guys exactly what type of tasks are available through their platform. Okay, so when you log in, this is what you're gonna see in InboxDollars. Again, depending on how detailed you make your profile, you can actually earn a little bit of extra money. So I have $5.50 here. So $5 was a sign-up bonus plus 50 cents for some of the details I filled out for demographic information when I started. Now you'll see up here on the home page, they're going to have some of their latest offers, and these are going to be higher dollar offers, but they're going to require you to do something like download Disney Plus and subscribe for a month. And then if you're subscribed for a month, then they'll pay you out the $5. Or here we go, there's another one for Acorns where it's $10, but again you have to download the app and deposit like $5 and wait a few days, 14 days for that credit to go in there. But a lot of these are useful tools. So Acorns is an investing platform that does micro investing for you. So if you don't have any kind of investing platform and want to start, dip your toes into it, Acorns is a great service to subscribe to, and you'll get an extra $10 here. And you can drill down to any to launch the linked website, or you could just read the little blurb here. It'll give you some more details. So get a jump start on filing your taxes for free by creating an account with H&R Block. Earn your InboxDollar rewards when you verify your email address after you create an H&R Block account. So that's an easy one to get $2. Like I said, the main homepage after you log in will have their latest offers, and a lot of them will be higher value. Now if you scroll back up to the top, you'll see that you have some other options as well. So here they have some offers that you can click into and kind of figure out what these are. You can take surveys and get some extra money. Now the surveys are not going to be as high dollar value as some of the options down below down here, but if we click it, you'll see that there are some definitely 50-cent surveys, and these will relatively be quick surveys to take. So you know, there'll be 50-cent ones, 25-cent ones. I've seen some for up to even $1, but you know, most of them are going to be lower in terms of money threshold. So you're going to want to check out some other things. You can watch videos. Again, these will be probably lower as well. So you use 5 cents, 2 cents, penny for these, but all you're doing is playing, you know, pressing play and letting that video run. So, you know, if you want to turn the volume down, you can do that and watch TV while these are running in the background. You just kind of have to be alert and paying attention so that when it stops or prompts you to do something else, you can kind of do it so that you can earn your money. You can shop. There's coupons, games available. So if you click on games, you'll see that there's different games that you can play to earn some extra inbox dollars. There's easy cash options here. Click that and it'll give you some options to earn this way. And so what happens is you'll earn all this money, and what'll happen, you'll start accumulating it here, and the threshold for cashing out money on inbox dollars is $30, I believe, and they can PayPal you or send you a check, and it's real cash you can earn today. Now again, for the most part, most of these options are pretty easy to use and you know, low dollar, but there are going to be some, like I said, on this offer page on your home page, there's going to be some options that are going to be higher in value. You know, so you can earn some cash back here. But again, if you go down here, you'll see H&R Block, you'll see Empower here. You can just sign up for this for 30 days and get $15. Home Chef, here's another option. So if you sign up for Home Chef, you can get a $100 reward plus a $30 inbox dollar credit. So there's definitely ways to make some extra cash. Now, as I mentioned, I used inbox dollars probably for the first time a few years ago, and I did have some success. Like I said, I think I made about 60 bucks over a period of 3 months. So it is possible to make some extra money, some fun money. Like I said, it's not going to be life-changing amounts, but if you're looking to just make some extra cash, that's a great way to go. So let me know what you guys think. You know, if you used it before or thinking about using it, let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button. It's a completely free action to take. We'll see you next time.